What?
Mommy mango.
Yan.
Hi.
Hello.
My name is Skyline.
My name is Starlight.
Mango Swedish curse.
Yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
It tastes sour or sweet?
Sweet.
Job. What color is the mango?
A baby orange.
Is that a baby orange mango? It's not yellow?
Look yellow. That's orange.
Okay. Juicy?
Yeah. No, that's spicy.
It's not spicy.
Oh.
Why are you using your tongue?
Wait. This is the tongue in the builders. This is
Dad, show me your tongue. Here in the camera. Here in the camera. There's no blue?
No, this is called green.
Green? Okay. All done. No more na. Dami icing? Ay, ang nose na wala.
Green.
Green.
Green tongue. Do you like green tongue?
No, I don't like green tongue.
My cat doesn't like it. No, that's not the blue. They just turn into jelly. Oh, look at that! Look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. The orange. Look at the mirror. The mango. Look at the mirror. Hello, I see the ants in the mango. No. Color you bite the ants.
Okay.
I don't like that. Bit more mango. Thanks for watching.